9.83 inches and falling. Elsewhere in the metro area, in Chesterfield, it was fair and the temperature was 87. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 286, effective until 2 a.m. Friday. This watch includes the following county: Madison, Illinois, and Lincoln, Missouri. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 286 has been issued from 6:50 p.m. until 2 a.m. Friday for the following county: Madison, Illinois, and Lincoln, Missouri. At 6 p.m. at Lambert Field in St. Louis, it was partly sunny with a temperature of